from you, but we've got some pretty sweet items for them as well. So ladies and gentlemen, here is your auctioneer for this evening, Mr. Antoine. Mandy. Antoine.
Of course, paired with a unique wine and then an award-winning dessert. You might not even get it. Only 21 people won. Not here. I'll tell you what. I'll start the bidding on this. I think it's cool. At let's say what, $100. I got the bid at 100 now. I was going to say 200. I got the bid at 100 now. 200 there now. Looking for 3. I got the bid at 300 now. Looking for 4. 400 the bid now. 400 now. 500 in the back there. Looking for 600. 600 the bid. I got 600.
This is the best auctioneer ever, Antoine. That was fantastic. It was a beautiful auction.
Antoine was so good. He was selling off the decorations.
Yeah, we had a great time. It was lots of fun. Thanks for inviting us.
The power of editing.
Again, thank you so much for having us here tonight. Like I mentioned earlier, it's for a great cause. We're promoting healthy eating and we're raising money for heart stroke as well as Cancer Society. Thank you so much. You did a good job. You made that auction fun.